Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. We are so sorry that we from a long time we are not been uploading the videos due to the health issues. I was not able to making a video, but we make sure that to make as soon as possible the video. So recently we have been developed one website, that is pin code website, and apart from that IFSC code website. In this kind of a website, it's completely optimized with the Google AdSense also. If you want to build this kind of a website, you can to contact to us, which is a given number to us, which is displaying on your screen. So let's we will going to show you how the website is work and what are the features, and it's really makes you revenue. And we made an admin panel also for you, not the simple way we build the website. So let's I'll take you to my website and I will going to show you. So this is the pinwala.in website I have recently has created. I hope you people really like this website. So in this, I whatever I build, all the pin codes have been added here, and all the IFSC code also banks, because what the exactly thing as did that, because so many people will be going to search with the pin code also and IFSC code. You know how many total banks are there and how many total pin codes are there. So this is the front end website. So recently you can able to customize your ads also here. You can add it from the backend panel, the ads, and the about us section also you can able to add it from the backend only. About us and contact us section also you can able to add it. So here is my number also. From here also you can say, and blocks also you can able to add it here. But recently I does not add the block because I don't want to keep a heavy website over here. And in home, so here is a pin code and IFSC code here. So just what I'll going to do, I'll going to see one pin code 50076. So here you can see the pin code. When I open the pin code, it will going to show you like in a map also here, and with the all the information, what is a particular thing. And here you can see there is a ads also there. And if you are Google AdSense also will going to upload. This is the completely website with the lightweight website is there. Is around some 100 mbps something is there. It's very less size is this, around 70 uh, MB size is there. Around website is a very less website, and you can able to add your ads also. It has a very good speed also. As you can see, this is of the pin code. Here is a pin code, and let me find any bank. So here I will take a Bank of Farida. Any code I will going to take, I will just going to take on so here is a bank information. When you click, here is a bank information. You can copy all the details. I have added the one button also. So Bank of Merita Private Limited, and here all the CSA, IMPS, RTGS, all the information is there. So micro code also have been added. So it is a very, I try to add it the logos, but the thing is when I'm trying to add the logos, it's taking so much heavy on the website. So that's the reason. Does not added more information, as we have a private policy and terms and condition also in this website. So it's a very lightweighted website and is very easy to use. And even you can able to browse here the pin code, enter the pin code here. I have been added here. And even the IFSC code, if you see, here is a completely IFSC code out there with the bank's details and everything. Okay. And here you can see the latest post, but the post does not write it any blog, so that's the reason. And if you go to the dashboard, this is an dashboard. So here you can see the total pin code, how many are there. It's around like 1,65,600 627 pin codes are there, and IFSC codes are, you can able to see how many IFSC codes are there. Pending blocks. So here I have written the graph also, how is the users are coming here. So it's, you can able to generate the all those things. It's not a big deal. And apart from that, you can see which is the top searching, uh, pin code is there, which is a bank code is there, what is a which a keyword is been ranking here. And you can able to import the data, is a pin code or IFSC code. If you want, you can import, but as already defaultly have been uploaded entire data here, so you no need to upload. Just upload the CSV file, you can able to upload. It's otherwise it's up to you. And blogger system, so I does not add any blogger, so that's the reason. And here is the ad section. You can add the ads, that header, footer, slider, internal, slide header, and slider header. So these are the ads. You can able to add the custom ads here. From these are the information you can able to add it. And here is a setting. You can upload the logo, your contact information and mobile number, and what do we say, the address also, and the default SEO keywords also you can able for, and you can able to add the Google analytical codes and Google search verification code also here only. So I made it completely easy for you, so you can able to identify each and everything very easy. You should be, it's a completely SEO website is a, so whatever the blogs or content you are seeing, it's been completely SEO. And even sitemap also has been added here also. You no need to add it more sitemap also, just you need to take a code and you can read it. And we have been providing the service, we can able to add it in your cPanel, and we can able to upload in your hosting, and we can able to make it live also. That also we will only going to do. Whoever interested this kind of a site, please contact to us, we will going to do in the reasonable price. Okay, so I hope you people like our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues also. Thank you so much.